Hello, awesome viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how to divide this serial number module to step action, step expected, and we are given one test action expected. How to divide this into respective rows and columns. Click on data. Got it. Here we have to see text to columns. So let us select this data. So now click on text to columns. We will use delimited. Next, click on other. Other will be this. Okay. So click on next. So click on finish. Now, as you can see, it got delimited. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.